Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this brilliant 208 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that has a 6-speed automatic gearbox and 110 horsepower. Outside the car there's 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and full Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include automatic headlights, wipers, you get air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car is one of our former courtesy cars and it's done less than 3,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.